So this is the COOLWUFAN. What is it called? The anti-theft video doorbell mount. I have had this one for about 2 years, 3 years or so, and it works really good. I've tried a few and it probably fits better than anyone that I've tried. It has these things to protect your door, and you tighten it on there. A lot of the door mounts don't fit, like right here, it's too thick, so the seal, it won't close in the seal, or you're not able to put it on, say, the right side or the left side. They only are built for either the left or the right. This one, you can turn this way and move all this stuff in here and put it on the other side, or you put it on this side. And I'll later on in the video, I'll show you it on the door. But right now we could take it apart. I use my little eyeglass screw to unscrew it, because they're super small little screws. I hope I don't lose them. I do not have any more super tiny screws. I got the big one just in case it didn't work. I haven't done this in a long time, so I didn't remember if it worked or not. So I'm going to take these off, be right back. Okay, so all the screws are off, and this is all the foam that it comes with to fill it up so that it doesn't move. I'll take all of that out. I have the Blink camera. And yeah, it comes with all of this foam. I hope I can get it back in there the same way. It takes a little time to situate it where you want it. And I tilt the camera inside of here so that it doesn't like shoot straight into my neighbor's house, you know, so I'm not looking directly in their apartment. And this is a little piece of like floorboard that I had from all my construction projects, but I just wanted to cover up all the foam so it didn't show at the bottom, so I just put that in there. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to say that it comes in black and white. It was $18.99 on Amazon. The link will be in the description, and it is an affiliate link. Okay, now I'll put it on the door and show you how it looks and how to attach it. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. This is not my front door. This is my bedroom door, but just to show you how it goes. You see how it fits on there. You just tighten these little screws. This one. Okay, basically that's it. Now it won't close on this door, but my front door, it closes on perfectly. And yeah, it's good. Definitely get one if you need a mount. Don't even waste your time with the other mounts, because I'm telling you, they will not fit and you will be mad. So get this one. It works.